Hi, welcome to another Tech Horn video. This video shows how to add a second hard drive in your laptop by swapping the DVD drive with a hard drive caddy. If your optical DVD drive is old and no longer working, you can add a second hard drive to your laptop and expand your storage. We will start by removing the back cover screws, then pop out the DVD optical drive. You can get a hard drive caddy online, it's cheap. Before you order, check whether the size you need is a 12.7 mm or a 9.5 mm. Older laptops are thicker and usually use the 12.7 mm. I'm using the 9.5 mm caddy paired with Seagate 720GB. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more Tech Horn videos.